everybody. Time to switch over my vacuum pump. Let's see if I can. So pulling a very good vacuum. Alright. So let's put this one back on. So this is on. So this needs to be open. That's a pretty good one. So let's close this one and turn this off. Looks like you can see liquid moving there. Looks like it's backing up. I guess this one doesn't have backup protection thing. Still pulling good, a really good vacuum. Alright, come back in 4 days and I will turn it off. I'll be done, so I'll turn this one off and then it'll be done. Well, I'll let the air back in slowly and over time, and then we'll look at the results. And it's unfortunate that this thing is it's fortunate that this one is backing up, right? But I did close that. I closed the valve, so hopefully that keeps the oil from backing up into the chamber. But alright, come back in 4 days and see the results. Alright, y'all have a blessed night tonight, and we'll see you in 4 days.